Happy fall! Do you love pumpkin spice and everything nice and those scents? I sure do. I love cinnamon stuff. So I'm gonna use my love of fall spice and make my Thieves Household Cleaner smell wonderful so that it will make me want to clean more, because every time I spray, it'll smell really good. Okay, so I already have 1 capful of Thieves Household Cleaner, great for every surface and all plant-based, super safe, my favorite product. And I already put it in here with 2 cups of water. And this is all you have to do. You can customize it. It already has like a nice little bit of a cinnamony clove scent, but very slight. So I'm gonna make it more scented with my Young Living oils that are all plant-based too. So I'm gonna put a couple, 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of clove. I love clove orange. Let's put a couple of those. Maybe cinnamon bark and some nutmeg. Now, if you don't have all of those oils, just put what you have or what you want. You could even add more Thieves, because that's a blend of cinnamon and clove and a few other things. Or if you have the Simplified Fall collection, you can scent your Thieves cleaner with orange spice cider or ginger snaps. Or one that I'm really enjoying right now is Cozy Cabin. All right, so happy cleaning. Make it more fun for you too as we begin fall.